important part of people's lives. It will either make them or break them, depending on the career they choose. No one can deny the importance of education system. So today I'm gonna talk about you the online education system. It is a type of education system where the students use their home computers, laptops and mobile phones etc. through the internet. For many non-traditional students, online courses and classes have become very popular in the past decade. Most of the online classes and courses are conducted using the digital technologies are provided via the online learning portal of the host university. As I am also taking online classes nowadays, so I thought I would share my experience about online classes. So let's discuss first why online classes are very popular. One of the most important reasons for becoming online classes are popular is flexibility, because it allows the students who work part-time or full-time job and have no time to arrange their classes. They can easily arrange their classes according to their convenience. Likewise, parents and those persons who are supporting and take care of their family members and have no time to arrange their courses or classes according to their convenience, they can simply make a schedule according to their convenience. So here is an interesting question often asked about online education system. How do online institutions prevent cheating? Actually, misinformation about that online learning students can simply cheat their way to success by purchasing assignments and using revision material during the virtual examination. This couldn't be further true. Online learning institutions make ensure that cheating or plagiarism is almost impossible during the examination or test. By the use of advanced plagiarism detection software, they control the cheating. So let's see the advantages and disadvantages of online learning system.
Advantages of online classes: work from anywhere at any time. Online courses bring right to your home. Online classes connect you to the global village. Online classes have the financial benefits. More comfortable learning environment. Review the lectures instantly. Distant students can easily get an education. Students can take help and use resources anytime. Continue in your profession and more time to think. Online classes are free from boring lectures. It includes different methods and new ways of learning. Disadvantages of online classes: little or no face-to-face interaction. Lack of discipline and company from others. Less creativity and more instructions. Slow internet and poor connections. Online classes give you more freedom, perhaps more that can you handle. Does not work on social skills and practical life. Tough to focus and find an environment for study. Online classes require you to be responsible for your own learning. In rural areas, people face difficulty of internet. Everyone has not access to the internet.
So these were the few advantages and disadvantages of online education system. If we compare the online education system with the present situation, so due to COVID-19, almost every type of institution have been closed. So most of the universities started online education system, and it is a very beneficial way of availing education to the students. Even the government had started teleschool channel. It is also a very great step to promote education. At the end, I want to conclude my whole conversation with that progress is nothing without change, and those who cannot change their mind, they cannot change anything. So if you are also taking online classes nowadays, then you can share your opinion, your experience about online classes in the comment section. Thank you. Jazakallah.